My name is Micaela Len.
And I'm Brenda Himelfard, and we're from Argentina.
And we are going to show you some cool science tricks.
Yay, science!
Somewhere over the rainbow.
For this experiment, we're going to need water, vegetable oil, dishwashing soap, alcohol, food coloring, and an empty bottle. First, we put the dishwashing soap into the bottle. Then we add water, previously mixed with food coloring, followed by vegetable oil, and last but not least, we add alcohol, also previously mixed with food coloring. The science secret here is density. Based on this density equation, density equals mass divided by volume. If the weight or mass of something increases but the volume stays the same, the density has to go up. Likewise, if the mass decreases but the volume stays the same, the density has to go down. Lighter liquids, such as water or rubbing alcohol, are less dense or have less stuff packed into them than heavier liquids, like honey or corn syrup.
So, what keeps all these layers all separated from each other? It's how dense or heavy each liquid is. Dishwashing soap is heaviest and sits nicely on the bottom. The water, it's not quite as heavy as the liquid soap, but it's heavier than alcohol, and so on. Layering them from heaviest to lightest from the bottom up ensures that the rainbow maintains its distinct lines.
They tried to make me go to rehab. I said no, no, no.
Because water has a higher density than wine, they can switch places. Wine and water have different densities, so the heavier liquid, in this case the water, sinks to the bottom, while the lighter wine rises to the top.
The heat from the flame speeds up the air molecules, so they move around a lot more than the air expands. As soon as you cover the flame, there is not enough oxygen for the match to keep burning, so it goes out and the air will immediately start to cool down, contracting as it does and taking up less space. This creates a lower pressure inside than outside the glass, which forces the water up. Also, when you burn wood, you produce water vapor. The cellulose from the wood combined with oxygen gives you CO2 and H2O. Once the flame goes out, the water vapor hits the sides of the glass and cools, and some will condense into liquid form. Liquid water is 1600 times more dense than water vapor, and this contributes to the low pressure.
What do we need? 2 glasses, baking soda and vinegar. The first thing that you need to do is to put the baking soda in a glass and mix it with vinegar, letting it phase. We pour the gas into an empty glass without the liquid. When you pour the empty glass over the flame, nothing will happen. But when you pour the gas-filled glass over the candle, it will deprive the flame of oxygen and the fire will go out. The mix of baking soda with vinegar produces CO2 gas. It stayed in the glass because it's more dense than air. First, we pour some water drops into a previously heated pan. The drops roll around like an air hockey puck because the heat is causing the water on the bottom of the droplet to boil so fast, it creates a cushion of vapor for the droplet to float on. Well, that's it.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Cheers from Argentina!
Goodbye!